Hi there, this is Scott Bogart from CFO Outsource. This is the introductory video on a series on equipment leasing. In this video, I'm going to give you an overview starting with the benefits of equipment leasing, followed by the potentially substantial downsides. So, to lease or not to lease? That is the question. Generally speaking, I advise my clients to never lease unless they have to, or unless they have a compelling reason. And if they have to lease, to make sure the lease is thoroughly reviewed by a competent professional. This will at least allow them to understand what they're getting into. Why would a business have to lease? The reason would be because they have no other options. This may be because they don't have the cash to make a down payment on a standard loan, or they aren't in financial position to qualify for a loan. That being said, there may be some compelling reasons to lease. I have a client who finances a fleet of trucks through leases, and his primary motivation is to keep the activity off his personal credit report. This qualifies as a good reason for leasing. Another good reason is that sometimes large, reputable vendors will provide excellent leasing programs in order to sell their products. But even these programs may have some hidden traps, which will be discussed in other videos. Now for the downsides. It can be difficult to determine the actual interest rate. In another video, I'll show you the best way to determine the implicit rate of interest in the lease. Number two, equipment leases are difficult and costly to get out of. Unlike a loan, where you can get out simply by selling the equipment, with leases you're potentially stuck for the entire term. Number three, many leases have a built-in trap that can potentially cost you a lot of money, and that trap is referred to in the industry as the evergreen clause. There are many other considerations in leasing equipment, which include whether or not the lease liability needs to be disclosed on your balance sheet. To learn more about leasing, visit our video library at www.cfooutsource.com. Thank you.